for the participants in the lower school division.
Welcome to MathCounts, everyone. Good morning. Happy Friday.
We are broadcasting live this week from the problem-solving division of the Meadowbrook School in our fair city of Weston, Massachusetts. Fine. We're broadcasting from our fair town of Weston, Massachusetts. Now, we have 9 amazing puzzles here that are not going to solve themselves. Let's invite our master puzzlers to the stage. Listen up. The correct answer was 17 free throws. Very close, very close. Team round. We have 3 team round questions today. And that is time. Let's see what answers our teams determined. The correct answer is -2. That means we do have a winner. Congratulations to the Meadowbrook Meese.